everyone, welcome to another edition of How to Make Money Online in Ghana. Today we are going to talk about two ways to make additional money online in Ghana. We will be talking about MLM and then we will be talking about affiliate marketing. Now, when we talk about affiliate marketing, we are referring to the system whereby you market a product or a service for a third party to a buyer or a consumer, and then without you owning that particular product, you get a commission on it anytime a purchaser or a buyer, a consumer buys that product through you from the seller. So that is what affiliate marketing is about. You don't own the product. A third party owns the product. You go in and then you recommend the product to another person. If that person buys the product based on your recommendation, then you get a commission out of whatever the person bought. When we talk about MLM, multi-level marketing, you also get the product and then sell, but here you get the product from the seller at a discounted price, and then you in turn resell it. You buy the product, you resell it. You buy it at a discount, you sell it at a higher price, and then you make profits on it. One major difference between affiliate marketing and multi-level marketing is that with multi-level marketing, you recruit other people who also engages in that same transaction that you do. And then once you have recruited them and they are under you, anytime they make sales, you get a profit out of the sales that they have made. With affiliate marketing, you don't recruit anyone. You do it on your own. You go in for the product link or something. So you see a lot of people making product reviews on YouTube and other platforms, other social media platforms. Those affiliate marketing products, those people don't own the products. Sometimes they can decide to buy it for use, and then once they have bought it for use, they can decide to recommend it and then get into an affiliate relationship with the seller, so that if based on their recommendation you decide to buy the product through them, then they make commissions. With multi-level marketing, MLM, what you do is you recruit other people, you purchase the product at a lower cost, you retail it at a higher price to make profits, and then once you recruit people who are also under you and they are also getting into that same transaction, then you make commissions from their profits. I am into affiliate marketing with some companies, and I have also tried the multi-level marketing, the MLM. I have tried multi-level marketing. I still do affiliate marketing as well. Now, let me share my experience with the multi-level marketing with you. Most of the time, people who recruit others into multi-level marketing hide certain vital information from them, which is like the basis for the people to succeed in the multi-level marketing. This guy recruited me into the marketing. I am always open to new business like avenues, investment, and that kind of thing. This guy was my friend. He was already into the multi-level marketing. I wouldn't mention names and make recommendations here. There are a lot of them out there. But as time goes on, I'll be talking to a few of my friends that I know have successfully made it in multi-level marketing, and they will be sharing their experiences and their guidelines with us in subsequent videos. But this is what happened and why I had to stop it at some point. My friend recruited me into the multi-level marketing. The process was such that every month you would have to purchase the product on the wholesale price, and then you retail it and get profits on the particular products. And then whilst doing that, you recruit other people under you who also engage in that same activity, and then you as the recruiter will be making commissions on the profits that they make, so that when they also recruit other people, they also make commissions on the profits that those people make. So it's like that kind of hierarchy that goes on. What my friend failed to do was to disclose to me that there was this monthly transaction that was going to happen. He made me believe that it was the initial capital that I was going to invest. It was, I think, 700 Ghana cedis at the time, yeah. So I gave out the 700 Ghana cedis, ordered the product, had it, and then along the line, he started asking me for additional 700 Ghana cedis for the next set of products. I was supposed to know it was going to be a continuous thing so that I could plan, I could get a strategy, and then go in fully with the long-term mindset. But I didn't have a plan, I didn't have any strategy. I just went in. He made me believe that once you invest the initial 700, that would be it, and then once you recruit people, you would be making the commissions. So I went in with the mind of, okay, getting the products, I could use it because it's deemed as an investment which is going to give me returns. So investing 700 Ghana cedis, most of the time when you are investing some money, you just consider it that, okay, this money is lost, this money has fallen off from a wallet or something else. It's lost. When you go in with that mindset, you don't think so much about it, and then in the long term, when you start getting the returns, you'll be thankful for it. Now, I went in without a plan, without a strategy, nothing, because I didn't know what was ahead of me. So please, if you want to get into multi-level marketing, find out, get into details so that you know how to strategize, how to plan, the capital that you need to start with. Now, it's not as easy to get people to recruit and then start making money. So what I needed to do with that was to at least get like some kind of money that would take me for a 3-month period. If I don't get anybody to recruit, first month I go in with the 700. If I'm able to sell the product, make profit, I could use that same money from that product and then get into. As at the time I went into the multi-level marketing, I was engaged in a full-time job as at that time. So juggling between that one, looking around, getting clients, and sometimes you need to go knock on doors, speak to people personally. Sometimes you chat with people on the internet, and because there are a lot of jellyfish accounts on the internet, a lot of fraudsters around, people don't take some of these things seriously. So you would need to go and then knock on people's doors, tell them about this particular product. What I went into was a supplement kind of thing that people used. But along the line, I'll be talking with some few people who have made it in the multi-level marketing so that they give us more insights about this. If you intend to get into multi-level marketing, then some of these people who have made it, who have successfully gotten hold of it, can give you recommendations and other things that you would need to start and succeed. The ultimate goal in getting into multi-level marketing is to be successful, is to make profits from the initial investment that you are going to put in. You take money, go and put it, invest in this particular business, and then you don't make anything out of it, and at the end you end up losing your initial investment to it. Wouldn't be a very good thing. Yes, investors take risk, but they don't take just any risk. They take calculated risks. They look at the impact of the risk. Unless you have some money to spend, if you are like me who wants to account for every password that he puts out there, then you would need to set, plan and strategize before you get into any of these. The affiliate marketing, I have this account with ClickBank, and then people are also talking about Max Bounty. I haven't tried Max Bounty. I will try it and then I will make a video on it. If it is okay, I share my experiences with you, and then you can decide to also get into it. Yeah, I also have this affiliate marketing with this company that does hosting. They sell hosting packages for web designers, web developers, and those kind of people. I have affiliates marketing. I have affiliate links with them. There are a whole lot of affiliate links too that you can get into. They are all over the internet. But I will make recommendations on a few of them that I am into and I have tried and then made something out of it. One major point here is, if I go into either an MLM or an affiliate marketing and I don't succeed in them, it doesn't mean you will also fail. That is one thing we should understand. If someone gets into a particular field of business, a particular line of business, and is not successful, it doesn't mean if you also go into that particular line of business, you are not going to be successful. Because for all you know, the circumstances may be very different. The kind of things that the person needed to do to be successful, maybe that person didn't do that. And if you take cues from that and you do those things, you could be very successful.